Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome to English class, Standard 8. 3.2 The Song of the Song. 3.2 The Song of the Song Warming Up Exercise. So first we'll see chit chat. So in chit chat, question number 1 is, do you like to listen to music or song? क्या आपको म्यूज़िक सुनना पसंद है या गाना सुनना पसंद है? तो आंसर आप अपने हिसाब से दे सकते हैं. डू यू लाइक, वेदर यू लाइक और नॉट. सो योर आंसर विल बी इन यस और नो. तो एक एग्जाम्पल देते हैं. यस, आई लाइक टू लिसन टू म्यूज़िक इन माई फ्री टाइम. नंबर 2, what types of song do you sing? So I sing Hindi Bollywood songs. Who is your favorite singer? Arjit Singh, Jagjit Singh, or maybe whatever you like, you can write it. When do you sing? Whenever I am free and get the time, I sing. Do you practice singing under the guidance of a guru? No, I don't practice singing under guidance of a guru. What is the difference between folk song and classical song? क्या डिफरेंस है folk song और classical song के लिए? तो classical music based on disciplined ragas, strict rules of rhythm and patterns. And folk music comes from the heart, and it is the music of traditional popular music style of the region or communities. Number 1, discuss your friends and write down the name of 5 to 6 Indian musical instruments and those used in Western music. So musical instruments, Indian, Western. So in Indian, you can write harmonium, tabla, mrigadang, shehnai, sitar or flute. Western, drum, violin, piano, कीबोर्ड, हार्प और गिटार. Question number 2, a rag or raga is a music piece in Indian classical music which is sung or played in a fixed combination of 5 to 6 basic musical notes. From any singer, musician or internet, write down the names of any 5 ragas and what occasion they are best sung. So there are 2 columns, rag and occasion. So first we see the rag. Number 1 is rag malakunj, that is late night. Rag bhavri, morning. Rag purvi, afternoon. Rag marwa, evening. Rag kalyan, night. Rag kafi, you can sing it any time. So we'll start with our lesson, the song of the song. Slowly, gently, an exhausted musician laid his tanpura on the carpet. The exquisite strains of Rag Darbari still vibrated within the hall. Emperor Akbar looked up, his eyes lit with admiration. "Wonderful," he said. "Superb. I listen to you every day, but I can't seem to have enough." Tansen bowed in silent gratitude. "I think you have the most wonderful voice in the world," said Akbar. "But I don't, Shahenshah," said Tansen with a smile. "There is someone who sings far better than I do." "Really?" cried disbelieving Akbar. "Then I must have him sing in my court. Can you arrange it?" Tansen shook his head. "I'm afraid he will not come, sire." "What? Not even if he hears that emperor himself had summoned him?" "No, not even then." This reply would encourage any other emperor. But Akbar was different. "Very well, Ustadji," said Akbar, smiling into Tansen's half-scared eyes. "If he doesn't come, I shall go to him myself. Will you take me to him?" "No, not even then." This reply would have encouraged any other emperor. But Akbar was different. Very well, Ustadji, said Akbar, smiling into Tansen's half scared eyes. If the doesn't come, I shall go to him myself. Will you take me to him? Yes, sir, provided do not come as the emperor of Hindustan. I shall go as a humble lover of music. Sant Haridas was the man Tansen had spoken of. He had been Tansen's music teacher and lived the austere of a hermit. When Tansen and the emperor reached his hut, he was busy with his daily course. When they asked him to sing, he smiled but said firmly, I am long past the age of singing. Even his favorite pupil do not persuade him to change his mind. But Tansen knew how to get around him. He offered to sing before the Guru, and he made a deliberate mistake. That's not the right note, Tansen, cried his teacher, amazed. What happened to you? Tansen did not seem to understand his teacher and he made the same mistake again. Expired, Sant Haridas took the Tanpura from Tansen's hand and sung the right note. Then he went on to the next and the next. The music spread across the forest like the first glimmer of dawn or a fragrance of jasmine. Both Akbar and Tansen listened to him as if they were hypnotized, and Emperor realized that Tansen had spoken the truth. He had not known that music could be like this. He had certainly never heard anything like it before. As they walked back, the emperor suddenly broke the silence to ask Tansen, why can't you sing like him, Ustadji? Tansen smiled. Shahenshah, I sing at your command, the command of the emperor of Hindustan. But Guruji sing for one who is master of even kings, God. His music springs from the depth of his soul, free and unasked for. How can I expect my music to be so beautiful and divine?